Hey everyone, if you're wondering how to use Kapwing without paying for a subscription, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Kapwing Free Plan and get the most out of its features in 2026. First, visit the Kapwing website and create a free account using your email address or Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll have access to the Kapwing dashboard where you can start creating projects immediately. To begin, click Create New Project and upload your video, image, or audio files. You can drag and drop files directly into the editor or select them from your device. After your files are uploaded, they'll appear in the editing workspace. Here you can trim clips, split videos, add text, insert images, and arrange media on the timeline. One of the most useful free features is automatic subtitles. Simply open the Subtitles tool, generate captions using AI, and then review the text for accuracy before exporting. Why? For the best experience, keep projects organized, review AI-generated content carefully, and make use of the available free tools before considering an upgrade. And that's how to use the Kapwing Free Plan in 2026. It's a great way to create and edit videos, generate captions, and explore AI-powered tools without spending money upfront. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.